back to Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal, and today's recipe is a focaccia. This is a very easy and simple to make focaccia recipe. I am guaranteeing you that anybody can make this focaccia recipe. So let's start. To make the focaccia, we are using 2 cups of warm water, and then 1 tablespoon of olive oil, two teaspoonful of salt, then we are adding 2 teaspoonful of yeast. This can be active dry yeast or just normal instant yeast. Mix. Then we are going to add 4 cups of bread flour. I would recommend to use bread flour because of the protein content. So we are adding the 4 cups of bread flour into this, and then mix, and we'll keep on mixing till the dough becomes a little shaggy and wet. So once you are done mixing, you can see that the dough is pretty wet, and this is the type of dough you want. You can just knead it a little bit. There is no folds or anything. This is the easiest focaccia recipe that you can do. So just keep on kneading a little bit, and then we'll cover it and let it proof for 2 hours. And once we are done proofing, see, the dough has been proofing for the last 2 hours. We'll take a 9 by 13 inch pan, and we'll take about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and pour it in the pan. And probably you will need more later on. So we'll just take a brush and brush it along the side of the pan, and then what we'll do, we'll dip our fingers in the oil and apply it along our palm, and then transfer the dough inside the pan. Just like this. And then we'll just with our fingers and palm, we are going to stretch the dough inside the pan, just like this. See, as simple as that. And then we're going to apply a little bit of olive oil on the top, and then we are going to cover it, and we are going to let it proof for 1 more hour in a warm place, like this. So after an hour, we are going to take it out, and we are going to add some olive oil on it. So first we are going to apply on our fingers. So we are going to pour some olive oil on it, just like this. We need a lot of oil, not a lot, but enough to cover the top. So with your fingers, this is what you're going to do. Just create some dimples on the dough, just like this. Just dip your fingers in the dough and just do this. This way you're creating air bubbles inside the dough. You can see some bubbles actually on top of the dough, which are don't pop them, just leave it, that'll make the real big holes. Now we are adding the toppings. You can add whatever you like. I am just adding plain and simple cut up garlic. If you want roasted garlic, you can add that too. Now we are adding some cheese. This is Parmesan. This is Asiago cheese. You can add Parmesan. You can add feta, whatever you like. And I'm adding cherry tomatoes or the grape tomatoes. You can add them just like that, or you can just cut it into halves with a knife like this. And don't do this, you might hurt yourself, so just use chopboard for that. And here I do cut the tomatoes the same way, or just I am losing my patience. I'm just adding it just like that. There you go. And then some herbs like rosemary from my garden. That's it. That's it. It's done. Now we are going to bake it at 425 for 25 to 30 minutes. And after 25 to 30 minutes, this is how the focaccia looks. It's golden brown and really yummy to look at. So we are going to take it out like this and let it cool, and it has been cool now. So we are going to cut it and see. Look how beautiful the crunch it makes when you cut it. Let me show you how it looks from inside. There you go. You can see the holes and it's so spongy, a little drizzle of olive oil, and it's going to taste so yummy. You can smell the rosemary in there. Oh, beautiful. See, it's very easy to make focaccia, and there is not much trouble in making. I'm hoping you are going to make this soon and serve it to your family and friends. And there you have the most simple and easy to make focaccia recipe. So if you want to make focaccia, look no further. This is the simplest recipe you can make. See you soon. Please subscribe, like, and comment on my YouTube channel, Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal. And thanks for watching, and keep on watching.